The results shocked the researchers. A natural compound, not a drug, triggered human stem cells to regenerate tissue. In the same study, it outperformed the gold standard growth factor used in stem cell therapy. My God, this is important. This is life-changing information. This fascinating food-based molecule increased the very cells known as human mesenchymal stem cells, the master repair cells your body uses to regenerate cartilage, rebuild skin, repair muscle, restore fascia, strengthen bone, and even support your nervous and vascular systems. Mesenchymal stem cells are critical for full body repair. They hold the key to deep life-extending cellular regeneration. And this compound didn't just help your remaining stem cells, it helped your body make more of them. Hey there, welcome to Back to Health Today, your channel for cutting-edge natural biohacking and radical cellular regeneration. I'm Michelle Hamel, a clinical microscopist by training, now focused on root-caused regenerative strategies. Strategies people have never heard about. I'm here to share the breakthroughs that could change your biology and your future. Now, diving into creating more stem cells. Drum roll, please. Where does this miraculous stem cell generator come from, you ask? The one that outperformed pharmaceutical-grade therapy and lab tests? That increased your body's own mesenchymal stem cells? Not just activating them, but helping your body make more? It comes from the magnificent avocado. Yes, the same creamy green fruit you might slice on your pita bread helps your entire body restore and regenerate. This is so exciting. In a 2020 study published in the Journal of Cellular Physiology, researchers discovered that a compound inside avocados didn't just help, it outperformed TGF beta 1, the pharmaceutical gold standard doctors use to trigger stem cell regeneration. Avocados don't contain TGF beta 1, but the compound they do contain is known as avocado B. It acts on the same pathway in human stem cells, and it works better. Think about that. A natural molecule from a food you can hold in your hand, outperforming one of the most trusted regenerative drugs in modern medicine. But wait, it gets even better. Stay with me, because you're about to learn even more about how this one food helps your body create its own natural stem cell bank. And just ahead, we'll dive into how it also impacts your mitochondria and DNA in a way that even shocked researchers. Today's episode spotlights one of the most surprising pieces of scientific research I've ever seen. Research no one is sharing or talking about until now. Scientists took human mesenchymal stem cells and exposed them to a compound derived from a natural food, avocados. The result? I love this. These stem cells began forming new cartilage tissue. So, what does that mean in real life? Imagine your injured knee. Mesenchymal stem cells are the stem cells your body sends to rebuild the cartilage. Now, you tear a muscle, same thing. Need to repair skin or regenerate the gut lining after antibiotics? You have what you need. They're your body's all-purpose repair kit, and most people don't even know they exist. And this life extension action came directly from avocado. Now, let's zoom in. This is exactly what people hope to achieve with stem cell IVs. They spend thousands of dollars injecting cells from a lab. But this wasn't injected. And again, the research shows it didn't just activate existing cells, it actually helps your body make more stem cells. So yes, this is in the same category as stem cell therapy, but it may be even more powerful because it helps your body make more naturally, safely, and daily. And that's where it gets personal for me because I actually grow this food myself. I have 18 different avocado trees right here in Florida. I purchased young grafted trees from both California and, of course, Florida, and did my research blending Florida's microclimate with the California avocado growing season. They say you can't grow avocados year-round in Florida, and I say, why not? I make eating avocados a daily ritual in my life, so I eat 2 avocados a day. Now I know not everyone's going to eat 2 like me, but even half an avocado a few times a week gives you that compound, avocatin B. This isn't about perfection. It's about stacking up tiny wins that move the anti-aging dial up. There's so many ways to enjoy them. I sometimes eat mine right from the peel with a little low salt or blend it into my smoothie. And sometimes as guacamole, of course. And sliced all over my salad or soup. That's another way. There are countless ways to use this delicious life-extending fruit / vegetable. When you understand what this delicious food does, not only does it increase stem cells, but that it actually works with your DNA and mitochondria, you stop treating avocado like a topping and start seeing it as a regenerative technology. Speaking of mitochondria, in human cell studies, avocatin B is shown to repair damaged mitochondria, restore healthy energy production inside the cell, and even trigger your body to grow more mitochondria. And that's a big deal. Mitochondria are everything. They power your hormones, your organs, your repair systems, and even your brain. When this compound activates a pathway called AMPK, the same one triggered by fasting and exercise, your body starts building new mitochondria, protecting the healthy ones and cleaning out the weak ones. And here's another reason why that really, really matters. Because healthy mitochondria power your stem cells. And mesenchymal stem cells don't just help joints. Again, they help regenerate your skin, your gut lining, your fascia, your connective tissue, and even your vascular system and brain. And here's another remarkable FYI. Avocatin B protects your telomeres, the caps on your DNA that keeps your cells young. It reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, the very things that make those telomeres unravel. That means longer telomeres, slower aging, right at the DNA source. We're talking about a superfood compound with mitochondrial, stem cell, and gene repair actions. It all comes back to this: avocado. This isn't just a healthy fat. It's one of the most regenerative foods on the planet. And the science is finally starting to catch on. And you're the first to learn about it. If this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe for more trailblazing insights. And check out my other 2 episodes on stem cell activation. The Aloe and MSM stem cell episode is fantastic. It tells you how these 2 compounds increase stem cells in such a way it will blow your mind. And the Trifla episode, it's one of the most important tools in my natural medicine treasure chest. What it does for the brain stem cells will also blow you away. Give these 2 episodes a listen, especially if you're ready to take this stem cell conversation even deeper. Oh, and before we close, quick note, both red and near-infrared light and methylene blue have been shown in scientific research to help your body generate entirely new stem cells. You are adding to your longevity arsenal. Red and near-infrared light doesn't simply support existing stem cells, it actually helps your body make more. And methylene blue fuels the mitochondria inside your stem cells so they can multiply and repair with greater speed and strength. That's why I personally use Hygge Health red near-infrared light panels. You can go to hyggehealth.com and get the most cost-friendly and effective panel out there, use the code longevity12 for a large 12% off. Be sure to listen to my latest episode concerning red and near-infrared light, where I bust the 3 falsehoods concerning their use and how I use the light daily to support massive cellular regeneration. And if you're using methylene blue as part of your life extension protocol, make sure it's pharmaceutical grade, third-party tested. I use Compass Laboratories 1% USP solution. Go to compasslaboratory.com and use code Michelle Hamel, all caps, no spaces, for 10% off. The same discount as their subscription, but without the commitment. Additionally, and this is important, if you're ready for a personalized life extension plan, one that gives you an A to Z roadmap for your wellness and regeneration, that's where I come in. I've helped countless people recover their wellness through personalized, root cause approaches that focus on repair at the cellular level. If you're ready to transform your health, I invite you to book your advanced wellness consult. Visit backtohealthtoday.com to contact me and learn more. I have to add, I'm not a doctor. This podcast is for informational purposes only and not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any condition. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting a new protocol. FYI, you'll find all the product links and scientific studies I mentioned in today's episode listed for you in the show notes below, so you can explore everything at your own pace. And by the way, we're just getting started. Next time, we're going to dive into a food you'd never expect to support regeneration. This is wild. It doesn't replace avocado, but it magnifies its anti-aging effects. When you stack the two together, you activate a whole new level of natural stem cell increase. You won't want to miss this. This is life extension information that you've never heard before. And again, it will help you live lots longer. It's the next level of natural biohacking, and you'll hear it right here at Back to Health and Wellness. If you have learned important, life-changing information today, subscribe and share this episode with a friend. This means the world. So, my friends, from the mitochondria on out, keep regenerating, and I'll see you in the next episode. Michelle Hamel.